Alright, time to get started on the kitchen. Here we go. Check out this awesome linoleum floor. I think we should keep that. What do you think, Trelena?
I think it looks like the flooring in my house when I was a kid. Total, it's like late 70s, 80s linoleum flooring.
It's outdated. Are you kidding? This thing is disgusting. There's
it's not horrible, but it's definitely
if you look really closely, there's like little pieces. There's like crumbs that have been mashed into it from the other floor, walking on it.
It looks dingy.
You don't like it? Disgusting.
Not really.
We've got to take this stuff out too. Underneath this linoleum, there's some 1/4-inch plywood that we've got to tear out too. So this should be fun. We're just going to do it probably in pieces here. There's old linoleum underneath this linoleum.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
We need a bigger tool.
It kind of. Oh
How
my.
about this?
That'll work.
I want to know who put this floor in and what is the purpose of putting staples every 1.5 inches apart. It seems like a little overkill to me.
Yes, totally.
It just doesn't make any sense. Look at all these staples in here.
We never staple happy.
Crazy. Okay, the linoleum and other hardwood floor is out. And Trelena is hard at work over here.
Yep. You like my white pants that used to be black?
Boy, what a mess. It's the next morning and I've just got the first run of these planks in. So we are just getting started. This is where the refrigerator goes. We have to move it out of the way to put the floor in. Once we put the floor in here, got to move it back. And the same with our stove. Once we get the flooring in over here, we'll move that back. And we still got to clear this stuff out right here, which is a real pain. We're making progress. We've got the refrigerator back in place for now. And we've got around here by the sink and where the stove goes. About halfway there. So we're getting towards the end, and this kitchen's been a little bit slow because there's so many turns and corners and all kinds of stuff. And I'm just getting to where I'm going to put in, or getting to where I'm going to put this part in. Cutting under the door jamb, sometimes you have to make crazy little zigzag cuts.
That's what the jigsaw's for.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, there's one way, and I'm going to push it down that way. So we're almost there. I've opened the last box, and these are the last pieces from the last box. So there is no extra whatsoever. So I'm really hoping I don't make a wrong cut here, because if I make a wrong cut, we're going to have to go buy another box. And I really don't want to buy another box. But there it is. Wish me luck. There's some really odd shaped curved walls here.
We are so close to being done. We've got the hallway. We've got the dining room. You're so cute. We've got the living room. And we're almost done. Here's the dining room. Only got a little bit left.
It's 9:30 at night. I'm very tired. But I'm very excited and grateful that Micah did it for us.
He's on my guts.
Let's hope it fits.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, there's no extra pieces. It either fits or doesn't.
Oh yeah. I hope it fits.
Me too. I'm scared. Did you do it?
Okay, it's in the right spot now.
Okay.
Okay, now I just need to slide it in.
Are you going to
It's done. Hey guys, it's done. No, we will. I'll do that later.
Are you really finished with not a piece to spare?
There are no pieces to spare whatsoever. Like, there's some pieces, but they're either damaged or
That's amazing.
there's nothing to spare whatsoever.
I prayed.
We used every last bit.
And here it is, all cleaned up. Here's our new kitchen floor. It only took me all day. Here it is. Everyone else has gone to bed. Except Esther. We really appreciate all the love and support and hope you enjoyed this series and follow along with us in the future to see what other projects we do. Take care. Bye.